Everyone, I want to talk about this VEVOR single burner propane stove that was sent to me. We're going to turn it on really quickly so you can see how it works, but basically just turn on your propane and you can light it up and you got a flame right away. This is 200,000 BTU, so it provides a lot of heat. As a cast iron burner, you have your wind flap here. You got your propane regulator. I'm going to turn this off quickly. All right, so this thing is nice and sturdy. To put it together, it's really easy. You just screw in the legs. It's an adjustable height. You can screw in the handles, screw in your wind flap and your hose, and that's it, and you're good to go. This thing has a little bit of weight to it, but the carry handles make it nice and easy if you want to take it tailgating, camping. I plan on using it here in my backyard. Make a lot of French fries, cook a lot of crabs, and latest favorite is deep fried Oreos. So your pot sits nicely on top of it like this, nice and sturdy. One thing I do want to note, if you're going to use like a wok or frying pan, you might want to get a bigger type. This type does work, but you want to set it on there. You want to set it on there carefully, but the bigger sizes will work better for this. All right, so quick dimensions. This is about 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches, and then you have an adjustable height, but around 17 or 18 inches. Now your pot size, ideally you want to have a 12-inch pot or bigger that will fit nicely on top of here. That's pretty much it. Nice heavy-duty propane burner for all your cooking needs. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.